Today we're working on a dining room chair. It's a really simple project and it has been recovered a few times already. You don't always have to pull all the staples out of a project like this, but since it's been recovered 3 times already, we have to remove all the staples. Tyler does make pretty short work of this tedious task, but we'll just speed on through here. Now it's time to move on to some foam padding. Tyler has some scrap around the shop and he found a piece that will do nicely. It's a little bit big, but we can trim it to size. Once we have it where we want, Tyler can get some spray adhesive to tack the foam to the wood. Time to trim the foam down to size. Tyler has a foam cutter, but a common electric carving knife works well in a pinch. For the cushion cover, you always want to make sure you're using an upholstery grade material and not clothing fabric. Clothing fabric will wear away too quickly, and you want to make sure you can pull fairly tightly on this material here. Tyler is using a simple fold method. There are many different ways to approach this problem, but this is one of the easier ways and provides a clean looking edge. First, the center of the material is stapled into place. Then staples are filled in by halves, creating an evenly spaced staple line. We also want to remove some of the excess material to debulk the fold. We will finish off the bottom of the seat with some cambric. This is a material that looks nice and gives it a clean finished look. Here you don't want to pull it too tight as this will tear more easily than other material. Again, Tyler staples in the center first, then fills in staples by halving the distance. The end result is a clean looking chair cushion, ready to be reattached to the chair. The new foam and the new material give this chair some new life.